Hi, my name is Robertson, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Folital Supplement before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Folital Supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Folital, because Folital is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is Folital and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Folital works. Folital contains a blend of 29 ingredients that can purportedly flush toxins out of your body, allowing you to regrow lost hair. Toxins have impeded the natural growth of your hair. By removing toxins from your body, you can restore hair growth and enjoy powerful benefits. The goal of the Folital formula is to flood your body with ingredients that cleanse heavy metals while also giving your body the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients it needs to support hair growth. Folital specifically targets a toxin called thallium. Thallium is a heavy metal poison found in the bloodstream. Folital can purportedly remove thallium from your body, helping you regrow your hair. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Folital Supplement, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Folital Pills for 60 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for the Folital work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Folital Supplement has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Folital Supplement, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Folital Pills actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.